This is exactly why so many girls never speak out after they've been victimized. Middle schooler in the United States had pictures of her taken by a classmate, who then took those pictures of her face and turned them into content. She not only found out about these pictures, but she saw some of them, and when she went to faculty members at her school, they refused to help her. At this point, the photos were circulating around her school. Her friends, fellow classmates, even some of the teachers were aware of what was happening, and they refused to help her. She was being bullied because of these AI photos. So when she asked to call her father to tell him what was happening to her at school, school also refused to let her call her father. So with students, other faculty members, supervisors at the school knowing what was happening to her, they then put her on the bus with the child who made these images of her, forcing her to not only be in the presence of the person who had victimized her, but this student then took out these photos and showed more students on the bus with her present. So she hit him. She was then expelled. That's right, the victim of this entire horrible situation who begged for help and every adult at her school failed her was then expelled. As every other adult was failing her though, her parents did not. That's right, they hired an attorney. It took that attorney going to the school board demanding that this school board does their job. Took this attorney not only reviewing every which way this school board failed this victim, also making this entire thing public for the school board to finally do something for this child. Investigation was finally opened into this middle schooler who had done this to one of his fellow classmates. And guess what they found? It wasn't just this one middle schooler who had this done to her. They found 7 other students and 2 adults to have also been victimized in this way. Keep in mind, this school board was not going to do anything for this original victim. Had her family not gotten legal representation and showed up at the school board meeting to call them out for this horrible behavior.